In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Taobao 2025 step by step. If you shop on Taobao and want prices to display in a currency you recognize, this quick walkthrough will make the site much easier to use. First, open your browser and head to taobao.com. If you're asked to log in, go ahead and sign in so the homepage loads correctly for your region. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. The footer is where Taobao keeps its language and currency controls, so don't stop until you reach the end. In the footer, look for the currency switcher. It may be labeled with the Chinese word huobi alongside the word currency. You'll usually see familiar symbols right there, such as CNY with the YO symbol, USD with a dollar sign, HKD with HK bars, EUR with euros, or GBP with bao. Click that currency field to open the dropdown. From the list, choose the currency you want Taobao to display. Common options include USD, EUR, PHP, if it's available in your region, SGD, AUD, and HKD. Depending on where you're browsing from, you might only see USD in a few major currencies, and that's completely normal. Pick what works best for you. After you select a currency, the page will refresh automatically. Give it a moment. You'll notice that list pages and product pages now show prices in your chosen currency. This makes it much faster to compare items and understand totals without doing mental math. One important note, this currency setting is for viewing only. Checkout still happens in CNY, Chinese yuan. Your card issuer or payment provider will convert the charge from CNY to your currency using its own exchange rate and any applicable fees, so the final amount may differ slightly from the on-screen converted price. Think of the display currency as a helpful estimate while browsing. If you don't see the currency menu in the footer, there's a simple workaround using the region selector. In the same footer area, look for DQ, which means region. Open it and switch your region to a broader option such as global, Hong Kong, Singapore, or international. Some regions unlock the currency selector, and once it appears, you can choose your preferred currency as before. That's it. Go to taobao.com, scroll to the footer, open the huobi or currency dropdown, select your preferred currency, and let the page refresh. If the switcher isn't visible, adjust the DQ or region to global, Hong Kong, Singapore, or international. With that set, browsing becomes clearer and more convenient, while remembering that final payments are still processed in CNY.